Unboxing the PetSafe scoop-free disposable crystal litter 3-tray pack. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing real quick. I got some scissors here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the plastic piece off. We're gonna open the plastic wrapper from the trays. And what we get is one tray, as you can see here, and this is the one that comes with the actual information and the visual of it. Inside of this, when you open it up, it looks like this. So it has this cardboard piece. It's just a filler. You can toss out of the way. That's just to make sure that this isn't sliding around during transport. Then we have the actual crystals here, and these crystals are extremely absorbent. They do a phenomenal job. And when these start to turn from blue to a yellow or to a green, that is also a visual cue that it's time to replace them. Not only the number on the box, which if you haven't seen, you should go check out my video on the actual PetScoop Super PetSafe scoop-free litter box itself, because I do have one of those as well. That'll be linked here if you want to check that out. But this is what you get. Now also inside here, we also get the actual litter tray. So you pour the crystals in here, and then the cats will actually scratch around and scoop and do all this. And then there's a rake that just goes through and hides all the poop right under there, which is very nice. And it does have the instructions here, as we can see, step number 1, step number 2, step number 3 of how to put it together. And then it also has today's date, so you know when you replaced it last. And then it says estimated date of change, and then the number of cycles as well, if you want to use all that. So that is the 3-pack for the PetSafe scoop-free litter box. And these things are incredible. Also, by the way, when you buy the bulk 3 here, you get a huge discount as opposed to buying them individually, one after another after another. I've actually been using the scoop-free PetSafe litter box now for about 6 years. And these things we've had coming to us every single month on auto ship for quite some time. This one right here is the blue crystals, as you can see. They also have the lavender crystal option. Now, personally, I've not seen any difference between the smell, but the lavender one is supposed to be lavender scented, etc. But where we set our litter box anyway in the house is away from where you would be smelling it naturally as a human. In fact, if you start to smell your litter box with one of these, then you've done the wrong thing, because the litter box itself tells you how many scoops it's gone through. Typically what we have seen is that when you get to the 70, 75, 80 mark, you need to actually replace the litter tray, which these are right here. Now there's also a reusable litter tray, and there's also regular crystal replaceables for that reusable tray. You can see in this video and connected to here too. So whichever way you want. Personally, I don't like touching anything to do with litter box. In fact, my significant other, she said, hey, I want to get a cat. I said, I will never, ever, ever scoop a litter box. And she goes, okay, cool, then we're gonna get cats. That's great, I'll do it. And guess what? She never scooped a litter box. So we tried every single possible, the robot one, the one that rolls around, the all of them that are supposed to be automatic scoopers. And this genuinely was the only one that actually works. And like I said, we've been using it for years.